Translating SolidWorks designs from Chinese to English. You might encounter this scenario. You need the entire UI and content to be in English. Let's see how our SWTDO tool performs a comprehensive English translation. This isn't just about changing the menu language. Your designed products inevitably contain elements like file names and feature trees, which are all in Chinese, right? For our team, the primary use case is creating videos for overseas audiences, which requires a full English UI. In this session, I'll cover two batch translation processes. First, file names. You see many Chinese characters in these file names. Second, feature names. To translate these file names, I'll use three commands within TDO. First is the Property Manager. In the Property Manager's standard mode, there's a specific item for Chinese characters in file name. No need to select or highlight anything. I'll apply this to all files. Just click Add Properties. Once added, let's open a random part. For this part, it now has this property, Chinese characters in file name. As you can see, it's named 9-fold longitudinal bar. Now, I will copy into our prod system, extract this specific property, paste it at the end, set it to visible, and save. Now it appears during creation. I'll generate all Chinese names. And here they are. Select all and copy the column. Paste them into a translator. Paste back the English column. And start property right back. Then, use quick rename. Select Chinese characters in file name. And use property 1 to preview the assembly. They all appear in English now. If any are blank, it means they had no Chinese names. Those need manual entry. Execute the rename. If it says duplicates exist, check for identical content. And simply add an index number. Now, what about the features? In the SWTDO plugin system, there is a dedicated feature translation tool. Integrate it into the system and run it. You can translate the entire assembly or just specific subassemblies and parts. Set it from Chinese to English and click Run. Everything is now translated. Finally, let's test it in an English system simulation.